Here we have a 2002 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab, Z71. Real nice Blizzard plow. A little bit of yellowing started, but otherwise, I mean, for the age of the plow, it's works great, and it actually looks really good. Truck's in nice shape. Couple little spots here, starting here or there, not too bad. Z71. Tow package. Bed liner. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, bucket seats with driver seats, power seats on both sides. Push button 4-wheel drive. You got your plow control, CD player, heat and air, tape player, rear power sliding, window. Nice big back seat. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy, no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. Open till 6 all week until 2 on Saturday. Thanks for watching.